So another tool that you can use is PEST or PESTLE. And so these two, and PESTLE is just an expansion of PEST, allow you to build an insights-based analysis. And so when we look at PESTLE, we've got political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental factors that we look at. And as you look on the slide, each of these is defined. So political is things like tax policies or fiscal policies or local government policy. Economic may be things like inflation rate or economic growth patterns. Social or cultural trends, potentially employee expectations or seasonal behaviors. Technological or automation, technical awareness, impact of new media. Legal are things like consumer laws, health and safety standards, trade barriers. Environmental, maybe geological or geographical location, climate change, environmental offsets, factors that contribute to the green agenda, etc. So when we look at an example in terms of getting your groceries home, so if this is a grocery store, political, there's a lot of local and federal government policies around single-use plastic that are increasing the cost of serving customers and are all related around sort of the GHG emissions. Economic, we've got high inflation, there's been supply chain issues, environmental regulations are changing and potentially increasing the cost of goods sold. Social, we had COVID-19 that's changed the consumer shopping behavior, increasing the cost. We've got things like pickup options, increased ongoing competitors. Technologically, there's been the development of compostable bags from non-conventional plastics that offer a potentially true green bagging alternative. But when we look at this legally, the composting bagging alternatives have been denied use by the regulators at POS locations, right? And then we've got environmental groups on the environmental side questioning the impact of paper bags, making it difficult to offer any type of green bagging alternative. So what you may see is as you go through these, there's connections between them. And this is a valuable tool really in terms of building an analysis that connects the pieces together and give you a deeper understanding of the context that you're going to be dealing with as you go out and start to build a solution.